Sailing's tougher than it looks. Everything's a challenge, and it's not so much learning but unlearning everything you thought true. Cooking, walking, taking a leak, doing your shifts. Smile, look at the horizon, focus. Yeah, we're not feeling 100%, but it's something we learn to live with. Speaking of learning, plotting a correct course proved invaluable when we got a message forecasting 60 knots dead ahead. We didn't have a radar, we barely have a sat phone, so we adjusted west 10 degrees, hoping to bypass it.
Steph's having an American moment.
I don't think I've had peanut butter and jelly sandwich since I was 7, 8. I hate peanut butter. But
that's jam. That's peanut butter and jam.
I wasn't feeling 100% earlier, and now I gotta eat.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah, again, all the time, every 2 hours.
The fishy. Fishy!
Alone in the vast expanse of the Pacific makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. Earlier on, the moon was out. It was just so fantastic. So I might just want to show you a view. You cannot freaking see. Isn't that a shame? This is our navigation system. Due to the reflection, we can't see it. Here we have our automatic pilot. Here's our depth and speed and other parameters that aren't really calculable right now. Of course, you can't see the sail. Shards signing off. So we'll stay here.
You wanna
take a look at Darren? Say good morning, Darren.
Morning. Another day in the Pacific.
So this is the 35 knot southeast we were expecting yesterday, isn't it?
Yep, it is.
Conditions got worse. The barometer dropped 10 points that night. So we pulled down the sail and used a drogue to prevent the boat from flipping. We hunkered down for the next 48 hours, wondering how long the beating would last.
We text them our location every morning at 9 and they answer back, so that's how we should know in which direction to choose.
So recently we just adjusted the course, so we're going more with the wind and with the waves. If not, it'd be a whole other story. And let's just hope that the bouncing and banging and whamming and slamming will come into an end. So yeah.